St Gregory Church. It's a great one listed, 14th century. Interesting tower, very different. We're going to have a look at the hunky punks because this tower has got hunky punks somewhere on it. But yeah, the main entrance is over there through the south porch. Apparently, it does feature a sundial. Yeah, Martin, you did really well with these bits of knowledge. Hang on, let's go and take a look. Give us a push, Martin. Right, let's have a look. Accessible so far. That's good. Not sure about the concrete. Please be aware, paths and steps may be uneven. And like the famous song, slippery when wet. Well, that'll be a challenge right now, won't it? I mean, when was the last time we had rain? Which decade was that? Okay. Lots of graves. As I said before, who doesn't dig a grave? Oh, that might be a bit of a slopey. There's no way we're going down there. That looks way too crumbly. Let's go through here. Oh my God, can you believe it? Martin, there's one for the stocks for you again. You better behave, son. You'll be in the stocks. More stocks. Love it. Yeah. So this is a south porch and it features another sundial. And according to that, it is somewhere around 8 o'clock, so it's wrong. Because it's currently nearly 10 o'clock. Right, this is in through the south porch. Well, this is new. Chainmail. Okay. Yeah. Always look up. Let's see. Can we breach the chainmail fence? Oh yeah, that is a step. Right. Okay. We're going to have to deploy the stick of skulls. Because I want to see in you. Okay, let's breach the barricade. Stuff. Oh. More nails. There's no scratchings this time. Interesting. So yeah, there's a slope, step, no access to buggy. Okay. Let's go down here. Oh, font. Font of all knowledge. Oh look. There's actually a spider made a web in this pew. That one hasn't been used for a while, has it? Wow. Okay. Font. Ooh, it's a lovely roof. Like I keep telling you people, look up. Oh, that's good. If you're deaf, you're okay. If your legs don't work, you're not. Nice bit of artwork there. VR, so obviously Victoria. Business book. Probably won't sign it. So these are interesting. They've got little doors on the pews. Hello. Does that mean these are for like rich people, and these ones are for the poor people because they haven't got doors? How does that work? Okay. Going on. Ooh. What's in here? Hello. A storeroom. We went in there. Okay. I'm not going to go that way. Medieval magicry. Audio cables. Get burnt at the stake for that. Let's see now. Well, that's odd. Someone's left a snooker cue there. It's only a game, son. But no, not sing the big song. Oh, the pulpit. I wonder what these figures represent. Well, she's got an anchor. So that one's got an anchor. This one's carrying a duck. And this one seems to be carrying a small child. Oh, weird. Look. The step of doom and despair. So we won't go any further than that. It's a nice stained glass window though. Again, very nice woodwork. On this one we can reach. It's almost like these seats are set up for a cinema. Huh. I do like the fact there's little stained glass windows and all these little nooks. What have we here? Here lieth beneath body of Alexander. Ooh. Okay. Yeah, mighty organ. Look at that organ. Look at the size of that organ. I bet they like to get their hands on that one. Oh, what's in here? Is it this tiny wee door? Oh, denied. Okay. More pews over there where you get locked in. Maybe the prisoners sat in there. Maybe that's what it was. Okay, so the tower is up there somewhere. Ah, bell rope. Now we all know what happened last time Martin did I go on this. Ah, yeah. So the access to the tower must be round the back there perhaps. Or through that door there. Perhaps. I don't know. Okay. What's the worst that could happen? Oh. That rope is flexing. Maybe not a good idea. Martin, I think I've been bad. Let's get out of here. Come on, Martin, let's get out of here. I think I've started the bells ringing. Christ. I think it's a bloody invasion. You got the drone footage, I hope. Run, Martin. No. Quick. Stop the car.